Every year that Josh Heupel went 500 in the SEC, he followed it up with only a 2-loss season the following year. In 2021, in 2023, and 2025. And what do you know? The following year, 6-2, 8-2. And if I'm going on just numbers and past history, I tell Texas and LSU, keep your head on a swivel, because there's more than a puncher's chance. If history is on the Vol side, that there could be more goalposts headed to the Tennessee River.
Sports, every sport.